January, week 1, language, 3rd grade, lesson 1. Capitalization rule number 5. Geographical locations are capitalized. Galaxies, nebulae, stars, planets, names of landforms, names of waterforms, continents, countries, states, counties, cities, towns, and streets are all capitalized. It says choose a map and write a paragraph about a place on the map. Begin with the main idea, which would be the place. Just name the place. Like you could say this is about. Okay. Then write 3 sentences to describe where your place is in relation to other places on the map. And then write a wrap-up sentence telling why you would like to visit that place or why you would not like to visit that. So altogether it's going to be 5 because you've got main idea, 3 details, and a wrap-up. Makes 5 altogether. Okay. Check your work when you're done and make sure. Did you capitalize correctly? Did you use different types of sentences? For example, some questions or exclamations? Here's an example. Did you know that the state of Michigan is divided into 2 parts? Is that a good first sentence?
Yeah.
Yep. It's a little, in fact, it's a little long. Usually your first sentence can be shorter than that, but I like it. Michigan lies between Lake Huron and Lake Michigan. So that's their first detail sentence. Did they, in that sentence, did they talk about where Michigan was in relation to other places?
No.
Okay, I'm going to read it again. Michigan lies between Lake Huron and Lake Michigan. Yes, they did. Okay, here comes their second detail. Its upper peninsula, however, lies between Lake Michigan and Lake Superior. So again, they've got stuff about where it is. Third detail. Michigan borders Indiana, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Last sentence is the wrap-up, so this is sentence number 5. I would like to visit Michigan because it's right next to Canada, so you could take a boat to another country. And they actually have an exclamation mark. So very nice writing. Did they use this map?
No.
Probably not.
That only shows
Russia.
It shows
Michigan is in
Africa, Asia, and Europe, right? That does not show North America. So they did not pick this map. Did they pick this one?
Yes. No.
Well, it's got the United States, but
No.
it doesn't show each state, does it?
No.
But it does. What's cool about this one is it shows where some different animals live.
They cut off and stuff.
Maybe they used this one.
Yep.
No, again, this one's got the United States, but it does not show each state.
Yes.
Use this one?
Yes.
No.
That is the River Nile.
No.
That's all that shows is the River Nile. So it shows part of Egypt, but it doesn't show anything about Michigan.
How about this one?
How about this one?
Yes.
Go.
That's Scotland.
That's England.
England and Scotland. I don't think that has much to do with Michigan.
No
The truth is, they didn't use one of these maps, did they? They used a different one. On the back of this one is a map of
London.
London. Look, London.
I've been there.
You've been there.
London.
And what's nice about this map is you could pick a place on this map and talk about a particular place. They have a lot of different little places named. For example, they have St. Paul's Cathedral. And they have
Rubens' house.
the British Museum. And they have right here the Globe Theatre.
The globe.
Theatre.
I read about that, but when I was this and then look at it.
Because you learned about Shakespeare?
Yes, I learned about Shakespeare with the.
Well, guess what then, Griffin? let's go ahead and talk about some sentences we could write about that globe theater, since that's something of interest to you. What would our main idea be?
The Globe Theater.
Well, turn that into a sentence.
The Globe Theater can be found in London.
Okay. The Globe Theater is found in London. Good. So that would make a great main idea. Now, can you think of something you could say about it, looking around it?
It's
It's by the river.
It's right by the river.
Aha, so we could use by. It is right by the River Thames. Good. I see a bridge that it's near, and it's called,
London Bridges.
looks like it's called Millennium Bridge. So you could say it is close to Millennium Bridge, or it is to the west of the Millennium Bridge. Let's look, so that's a second sentence. And then let's look at what's this building. It's the Tate Modern Power Station.
It's
So you could say
to the southwest of.
it is right by the Tate Modern Power Station, or it is to the right of the Tate Modern Power Station. So those are three details, and then you could do a wrap-up. I read about the Globe
I read about the Globe
Theater.
in Shakespeare's Midsummer Night's Dream.
In my Shakespeare Midsummer Night's Dream book. Okay?
I
Good.
read it with a.
If we picked a different one, like this one, we could write, the Sahara Desert is in Africa. The Sahara Desert is to the south of the Mediterranean Sea. The Sahara Desert is to the east of the Atlantic Ocean. The Sahara Desert is in the north of Africa. And then your wrap-up could be, I think the Sahara Desert would be awfully dry. Something like that. Okay?
Sahara Desert has a lot of sand.
Oh, that would be a great wrap-up. It looks like the Sahara Desert has a lot of sand.
The Sahara Desert is cold.
So that's how you do this work. Be very careful. Every time you name a geographical location, capitalize. Remember the song? You must capitalize, capitalize. Take the first letter and supersize. Don't underline or italicize. Take the first letter and capitalize.
What does italicize mean?
Make it slanted.
I'll do that.